Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to maths class. So as you know that exams are there, and in your exam first two chapters will be there. So today in this video we are going to just revise, go through your syllabus. So sorry, only one chapter is there for you. So first of all, here write the number names of the following. So how we are going to write the number names? So you know what we have to do. First we have to give the position. Right side से देंगे. First will be ones, tens and hundred. Okay, so concentrate. जितना रटोगे उतना भूल जाओगे. So समझो. Okay, so concentrate while you're seeing the video. Don't sit in front of TV and see the videos. So 2 is on ones position, 7 is on tens position, and 1 is on hundred position. So what we will do, first we will write 100. 1 is on 100 position. So we will write here 100. Okay, then अभी 100 के बाद क्या है? Read the number 72. So what we are going to write? 72. I'll show you once more. First write ones, tens and hundred on the number. Then see the number from starting. 2 is on 100 place. So 2, 200, then 89. 89. Okay, like this way you have to solve. Now see the write the place value of the underlined digit in the following numbers. अब अंडरलाइन डिजिट्स को आपको प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. सो यू नो जैसे हम पोजीशंस देते हैं वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, तो 2 कौन सी प्लेस पे है? वंस के. सो प्लेस वैल्यू विल बी 1. अगर टेंस की प्लेस पे रहेगा अंडरलाइन तो टेंस 50 आएगा. ओके, इफ 100 की प्लेस पे अंडरलाइन होगा तो वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, तो 800 you are going to write. Like this way you have to write the place value. Then here show the following numbers on the abacus. अभी आपको numbers दिए हुए हैं. You have to draw on the abacus. So as we have seen from right side, first number will be ones, then tens, then hundred. So ones 9 is there, tens 7 is there, on 100 3 is there. So in the same way you have to draw here the beats. ones की position पे कितने हैं? 9. So you have to draw here 9 beats. Then on tens position 7 is there, so draw 7 beats. On 100 position 3 is there, so draw 3 beats. Like this way you have to complete. Then write the expanded form of the following numbers. The same we have to follow. You have to give the positions ones, tens and hundred. Expand means what? You have to spread the number. So 4 is on 100 place, therefore you have to write here 400 and write in numbers 400. 5 is on tens place, that's why write 50 here, sorry, 5 tens, 5 tens, that is 50, and 7 ones, that is 7. Like this way you have to expand the following. Then the number comes, that is compare the following numbers and put the appropriate sign. So crocodile mouth you have to open where the number is bigger, and you have to put the equal sign when the number is bigger one. For example, 74 and 132. So you can see clearly here 2-digit number is there and here 3-digit number is there. So 3-digit number is bigger, so you have to open the crocodile mouth here. Now you can see here 412 and 412 is there. 100 digit is, all 3 digits are same, so you have to put here equal sign. Now here you can see 812 and 218 is there. तो पहले हम 100 का कंपेयर करते हैं. तो 100 में फर्स्ट नंबर में 800 है और सेकंड नंबर में 200 है. सो क्रोकोडाइल माउथ विल बी ओपन दिस साइड. नाउ you can see here number name of the following. So the number that comes after 459. 459 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 450. तो आपको उसको नंबर नेम्स में लिखना है. ओके. देन द नंबर दैट कम्स बिफोर 600. 600 के पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? 500. 599. Okay, so you have to write that in number names. Then the number that comes in between, दोनों नंबर के बीच में जो नंबर आता है उसका सबका नंबर नेम लिखना है. So the easy way I have shown you how to write the number names. Then now increasing and decreasing order. You know that increasing order means you have to arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger, and decreasing means from bigger to smaller. So 927, 472, 824 and 219. So bigger one is, so sorry, the smaller one is 219, then 472, then 824, and then 927. And the decreasing in decreasing order, इंक्रीजिंग का उल्टा करेंगे, जो बड़ा नंबर है वो पहले लेंगे. 927, 824, 472, 219. In this way you are going to write the increasing and decreasing order. Increasing order means you have to arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger, and in decreasing you are going to arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller. Then here are the name of the days. Write their ordinal numbers. You know ordinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, so on. This is known as ordinal number. We show the position. And cardinal numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is known as cardinal number. So he is telling to write ordinal number. Sunday is the, अभी संडे कौन सा डे है? पहला डे है, फर्स्ट डे है. तो अब जब हम ऑर्डिनल में लिख रहे तो कैसे लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट डे. ओके. देन ट्यूसडे इज द, संडे फर्स्ट, मंडे सेकेंड, ट्यूसडे थर्ड. तो थर्ड आप ऐसा लिखोगे इन द ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स. ओके. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ and so on. This is known as ordinal numbers. And 1, 2, 3, this is known as cardinal numbers. Then add the following. Simply you have to add 9, 2 plus 9, 11. Then 1 carry over, 7 plus 1, 8, plus 1, 9. Simply you have to add 2 digit, then 3 digit is there. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 again carry over. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. Again 1 carry over. 7, 1, 8. Plus 2 plus 1. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, so like this way you have to add the 3 digit and 2 digit numbers. Then come to subtraction. 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4. How much? 9. 7 minus 3. 4. Then 3 digit. 7 minus 8. You can't subtract from smaller number to bigger number. So what you are going to do? You are going to borrow from here. This will become 17 and this will become 1. So 17 minus 8. 9. 1 minus 1. 0. 3 minus 1. 2. Like this you have to subtract. Then multiplication is there. So for multiplication, now multiply. So simply you know the tables. I said you to learn the tables 2 to 10. So 3 6 are 3 6 are 18. So here 18 is given and you have to find out. तो 3 के टेबल में कब आता? 6 में. So you have to write that. And the one more thing that I have given you, that if the question will come multiply the following, the first number will be 24 multiplied by 2. Okay, suppose if your question is this, so what you are going to do? 24 multiply by 2. ठीक है, आपको उसको ऐसे अरेंज करना है वर्टिकली, है ना. वर्टिकली मीन्स खड़ा, हॉरिजॉन्टली मीन्स ऐसा. तो आपको क्वेश्चन ऐसे रहेंगे, आपको उसको ऐसे अरेंज करना है. फिर आप 2 का टेबल पढ़ोगे. जो नीचे है वो टेबल पढ़ना है ऊपर वाले तक. पहले फर्स्ट वाला नंबर, तो फर्स्ट नंबर 4. सो 2 4 ज़ा कितने होते? 2 4 ज़ा 8. Then you have to read the table of 2 the second number. 2 2 ज़ा कितना हुआ? 4. Like this you have to multiply. I'll show you one more question, that is 2 6 into 3. ओके, सो आप क्या करोगे? पहले उसको अरेंज करना है. फिर 3 का टेबल आप 6 तक पढ़ोगे. क्या आएगा? 3 2 ज़ा 6, 3 3 ज़ा 9, 3 4 ज़ा 12, 3 5 ज़ा 15, 3 6 ज़ा 18. कितना आ रहा है? 18. तो आप जैसे एडिशन में कैरी ओवर करते हो, सेम वैसे ही करना है आपको. 8 हियर, 1 अप, 3 2 ज़ा 6 और प्लस 1 7. Okay, like this way you have to multiply. Then the last one, that is divide. Okay, so the number, suppose this is your number 36 divided by 4, तो आप क्या करोगे, उसको ऐसे डिवाइड करोगे 36 और 4। 4 के टेबल में कब 36 आता है, कब आएगा, 4 9 जा 36, 4 9 जा 36, then you have to minus this both the numbers and you will write the like this. Okay, in the exam the question will going to come like this. You have to arrange and then you have to solve. Same for multiplication and same for division. Hope you have understood. Practice well and revise properly. Thank you. Best of luck for your exams.